Zonet chung kwa te chibai vek ule Infiamna Chanchin Thar ilangai thangu tukin khan NBA season kal mega conference final game ngana khelin Oklahoma City Thunder in San Antonio Spurs an hne tukin khan NBA season kal mega conference final game ngana khelin Oklahoma City Thunder le San Antonio Spurs an in ma chona in khel munam taka hian Thunder hian somni pakwa somni pasarin quarter khanna an la a quarter ni na somli somthum pakhatin point kuwa sangjok chungin an la chun zom le Spurs hi quarter ma sa pahnia an fual jok an ni ve a quarter thumna ero somthum pathum somni pahnia la ve lein an in siam thata hreta quarter lina beise an nei sang zui hle ma se an beise an puitlin theita lawa quarter lina Thunder hian somni paruk somni pathuma lain quarter lia quarter thum Thunderin an la a San Antonio Spurs hian quarter khat an la ve ram chawani atopa za somni pasari za sompali in Oklahoma City Thunder hian San Antonio Spurs hian neya ti hian game nga an khel to atangin Thunder hian series a 3-2 in ma an ruaya an game khelma ba ka voi khat an chak le ni chuan Thunder hi conference champion an ni to don tukina Thunder in hena an chan theinan hin ang player te an khel thatlanga an zinga hian Sai Gilgeous Alexander an point somthum pahnih nein rebound tum nile assist tum ko anei tela Alex Caruso an point somni pahnih rebound tum nile assist tum ruk nei tel bokin Jared McCain an point somni ba ka rebound tum thum anei tela Isaiah Hartenstein an point som pahnih chau thok chuak ma sela rebound tum som panga nei telin assist tum li anei tel bokani San Antonio Spurs lama hian player mal tho hlok ber hi Stephon Castle ni in point somni pali ba ka rebound tum nga le assist tum ruk aneya ani ba ka hian Victor Wembanyama an point somni thok chuak tlingin Julian Champak ni an point somni pahnih a thok chuak tling boka ma se San Antonio Spurs hi nena an chan pui zo ta lawa series a an fual jok an ni ta bok NBA season kal meka hian conference final game danga Knicks in Cavaliers series a 4-0 a an ne to awangin Knicks hi conference champion an ni towa Thunder le Spurs in conference le lama champion jok an ti chiang dona an game rukna hi zirtom ni jingda ruka an khel don ani Nizan khan Indian Premier League season kal meka Royal Challengers Bengaluru in Gujarat Titans an hne Nizana khan India Rama Cricket League sangbar Indian Premier League khelchun zom ni in Royal Challengers Bengaluru le Gujarat Titans an in machona to sa Titans si chakin bolvom masakan thlang hei wang hian Royal Challengers Bengaluru hian bet masain Rajat Patidaran ball somthum pathum atangin rasam ko pathum siama atop thlengin adinga Virat Kohli an ball somni panga atanga ran somli pathum siamin Krunal Pandya an ball somni pari atangin ran somli pathum asiam boka Royal Challengers hian over somni mangzawin player panga an chana ran zani somnga pali an siam target dan hi Gujarat Titans hian an vele a Rahul Tewatia an ball somli pathum atangin ran somruk pari atasiama Josh Butler an ball som pakhat atanga ran somni pakwa siamin Sai Sudarsanan ball kwa atangin ran som pali asiam boka Gujarat Titans hian over som pakwa point pathuma player an chan ta veka ran za somruk pahnih chau an siam mana wangin Royal Challengers Bengaluru hi ran som kwa pahnihin an chakta ani he matcha hian Royal Challengers tana ran thok chuak tamber Rajat Patidar ran som kwa pathum siam tu hi player of the match thlan ani ti hian Indian Premier League season kal meka playoff match masa a Royal Challengers hian Gujarat Titans hi an hne ta ka wangin Royal Challengers hian final an in lang kai ta a an hne ta Gujarat Titans hian playoff match khel tur dang Sunrisers Hyderabad le Rajasthan Royals a achak zokan machon le anga chuta chun Gujarat Titans hi an chakani chun final an in lang kai theidon thawa an tlomani ero chun final an lut theidon lawa Gujarat Titans tan final lut turin ran khat dang paltlang phot angai don ta ani Zanina Europa Football Club ten elna UEFA Europa Conference League final khelin Crystal Palace le Rayo Vallecano anin machon don Zanina hian Europa Football Club ten elna UEFA Conference League final match a darsom pahnih le chanveya Crystal Palace le Rayo Vallecano te anin machon dona final match an khelna tur hi Germany a RB Leipzig khelmual Red Bull Arena ani final match khel tur te hi hein elna a final la khel ngai me lo team ni in an club chanchina final an khelma sakber an tong ve dona a champion jok hian an club tan su nu poimo European Competition Conference League champion no moi an choi masakber an tong dona Zanina hian Crystal Palace tana bultan tura ngai te chu Henderson, Klein, Lacroix, Canvot, Munoz, Wharton, Kamada, Mitchell, Sar, Pino le Mateta te niin Rayo Vallecano hian bultan tura ngai te hi Batala, Ratiu, Lazion, Kisis, Savaria, Oscar Valentin, Lopez, Isi Palazon, Garcia, De Frutos le Alemo te an nia team pahnih te hian an match na hnung bera result in ang lawan neya Crystal Palace in English Premier League an match na hnung ber khelin Arsenal an mi khwala ka hian goal ni goal khatin an tloma Premier League ka sompangana season an khar Rayo Vallecano hian an match na hnung bera La Liga matcha Alaves mola goal ni goal khatin hena an changa La Liga te bula pariana season an kharani Conference League hi sangni somni pakhat somni pani season atangin khel tanania champion masaber hi Italian club Roma niin anuwa English club West Ham United le Greece club Olympiacos baka English club Chelsea te an championa tuntuma hian English club bokin champion na chance an nei le ta a Rayo Vallecano zok hi an champion ani ero chuan Spanish club zinga Conference League ka champion masaber record an siam don ani Championship a Coventry champion puitu Frank Lampard chu LMA Manager of the Year atan thlan ani Championship a Coventry champion puitu Frank Lampard chu LMA Manager of the Year atan thlan ania he chei moina LMA Manager of the Year hi English footballer division sang huam division sanga manager chathaber nena an hlan thin ania Lampard hian Premier League champion Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta khumin he chei moina hi adongani he chei moina hi Sir Alex Ferguson Arsene Wenger Jurgen Klopp Pep Guardiola le Arne Slot te point an lo dong towa tuntuma hian Chelsea legend Frank Lampard hian avoi khatnan adong Lampard hian Coventry hi championship a match somli paruka kai shwain voi somni parida chakpuya voi sari chau an tloma point som ko panga nein point som pakhat laia sang fal chungin an championa sangni pakhat seasona English Premier League atanga relegate khami nuwa Premier League a inhlang kai le leithei lo Coventry hi Lampard hian season thara Premier League khel turin promotion amu puya English Premier League a shwai kai a hlotlin na awang hian Lampard hian he choi moina hi adonga heti lai hian Mikel Arteta hian LMA award dong talo ma sela Premier League Manager of the Season choi moina adong thunga he choi moina hi Premier League Manager big chau huama nia wangin Premier League team somni manager te atangin an thlang thina atlang puin Premier League champion team manager emo head coach emo in he choi moina hi an dong thina ni Mikel Arteta hian he choi moina hi avoi khat don na ani Leicester City legend Jamie Vardy point Italian club Cremonese acho sandon ti ati chiang ta a tuna contract anei mek tu ni puya zo tur hi azove le a in puchua kang kumsom thum pakom hi hian tun seasona Cremonese tan hian Serie A match somni pakwa khelin goal sari akhunga assist pathum anei telbok goal contribution soma neya ma se hei hi tok zo lovin a khelna club Cremonese Serie A atangin an relegate ani Jamie Vardy hian Italian club atanga input chuak turin thutlukna siam ma sela in khel chol san ero alatum lova top level ala in khel theya in ngain Premier League thengpoin lu chille a hre lova ma se tuna hian ama som tu langsar ber chu Dutch club tha Feyenoord anni Antonio Rudiger hian a khel mek na Real Madrid a chamzel turin contract ajiak thar dona season thar tluan dai kumsang ni somni pasari jun thla thleng dai contract jiak thar tur hian Real Madrid le Rudiger te hi athupungin anin rem to Manchester City chuan Pep Guardiola anchel zota si lava team kai shwai tu atan Enzo Maresca Pep Guardiola assistant manager thin anuwa Leicester City le Chelsea te po kai shwai to thin tu hi an roidona athupunga anin rem nuwa Italian journalist Fabrizio Romano an atarlan danin City hian Enzo Maresca hi manager atan kumthum dai contract anzia puiti atar langani anin laklu thu contract anzia thu hi an puang thwai tura beise ania club lam hian thu chhuat la nei lo ma sela an nei har lo tura ngayani Enzo Maresca hian City a hian kumsang ni somni pani July tha atangin kumsang ni somni pathum jun tha thlengin pepa assistant ni in mo phurna alo chel towa anuwa Leicester City akai shoi khan championship an khela match somnga pathuma voi somthum paruk chakpuin voi som pathum an tloma season khatchau akai shoi chungin Premier League ain pet kai pui ache that ema wangin Chelsea in beise na sang tak nein kumsang ni somni palia an roi vele a ma se season ni akai shoi tluan talawa a season ni na kum in January ni khata khan kum thar nia tak an banani khati zong kha tun tuma Infiamna Chanchin Thar kan ngai thak thei te chu ani e